excited to go to Mexico, guys. Hey guys, so I was going to film it the other way around because the plane's behind me, but the lighting is so much better this way. But hey guys, I am currently at the airport. I'm going to try and film a bit of a vlog for you guys. I don't know how it's going to work yet. I don't know if I'm going to film a travelling vlog from me getting from the UK to Mexico, or if I'm going to be filming like a full week vlog of the holiday. I'm not sure, it depends on how much footage you get. This will probably just be a bit of a travel one, but we'll see how it goes. I'll give you a bit of an update of what's happened so far. So far we went from our house to Manchester yesterday. We travelled there to stay overnight in a hotel. We travelled at about 1 o'clock, got to the hotel about 4, something like that. There by train, and then we stayed there overnight, and then this morning we got up about 4:30 in the morning, and then travelled to the airport, a private coach from the actual hotel. So we got there took about 5 minutes, and then we got here, we've checked in, had ourselves a Burger King, and we've gone to some shops and all that kind of thing now. We're now about to go sit at a restaurant, have a couple of drinks, and maybe a couple of snacks, some chips, something like that. Play a couple of games of cards. We've got 2.5 hours till the plane, because it's 2 hours 15 minutes delayed. So I'm just going to keep you updated and kind of vlog as much as I can. We'll see what happens. I don't know how this is going to work yet, but I'm really excited to go to Mexico, guys. I felt one of the most annoying things about this week and the holidays is that I can't actually bring my MacBook with me, which is what I used to edit and go live all the time. So I thought it's quite annoying because I don't know how I'm going to be able to edit my videos unless I get like iMovie on my phone or something. I'll just edit through my phone or my iPad because I always edit through my laptop, and I've got about 4 or 5 videos ready to go but just need editing. So I'm going to try and get videos up while I'm away. But yeah, again, it's so difficult with not having the software and all that kind of thing. I don't know if I'm going to have time either, but we'll have to see how it goes, really. Worst comes to worst, I'll do it all when I get back and just upload like 6 videos in one day. But we'll have to see how it goes. The acoustics in here is insane, it's crazy. But I have now arrived at the hotel about 5 minutes ago, and before we got it all messed up and got our luggage everywhere and all that kind of thing, I want to do a quick hotel tour for you. I don't know how much footage I've got over the flight and all that kind of thing, so I'm kind of just going to see how it goes. I may do this as a separate video, I may do this as, you know, part of the actual travel. We'll see how it goes, I'm not sure yet. So if you want to see our hotel room, then stick around. So the view from the door, this is what you see as soon as you come in. It's so gorgeous, it's just amazing. And then this is the bathroom. And it's a spa bathtub. Then you can see a double sink with loads of shampoos, conditioners, shower gels, all that kind of thing. The sinks there. You can see triple mirrors. And I'm still in my travel on outfit as well. You can see tissue boxes, hair dryers, all that kind of thing. It's so fancy. And then they've got scales and towels under there. And then in these doors here, there's a toilet in that one. And then in this one, we have the walk-in shower room, which I think is pretty cool. It's got 3 different showers in it, so it's pretty cool. Over here we have 2 closets. Inside the first one, there is 3 drawers there, and then you've got things like shoe shine sponges, sewing kits, got a safe, and just your general bits you might need, and some shelf space, including a wardrobe which goes into the next unit. So this is the next unit on the left, which is the one that's got the wardrobe in. It's got built-in coat hangers, space on the top and the bottom for shelving and storage. It also comes with this really cute umbrella there. Into the living room and dining room area, there is a full body view mirror there. And then looking over here, you can see a little table and you can see the TV with just some units and drawers here. I think this is so cool. I don't drink tea or coffee myself, but we actually got a coffee machine over here with us. And then bottles of water, cups of tea, that kind of thing. Ice cooler, and then inside here, we've actually got our own mini bar fridge. So that's what it comes with so far. And then just some more storage space down there. And then moving on to the next set of cupboards. That is just general storage space. This is the master bed, which I think is so cool and it's so comfy. Because of course I tried it out already. Some cool wall art, and I just love the design and all that kind of thing of it. Bedside drawers, all your plugs, and that's just kind of the view from this side of the room. From over here you've got your room service telephone with a notepad and that kind of thing, with little bedside lights, and then more like room decor and that kind of thing, with the sofa, which is a sofa bed, which I will be using. Then coming over here to the living room area, got a couple of chairs, and then this cute little cake kind of treat thing they left for us. And it's kind of like a little desk area over here, which you'll probably where I'll edit if I get a chance to. With a couple of plugs under there, and then some brochures and leaflets, and then a little plug drawer here for anything we may need it for. It also has USB adapters, which I think is so useful because lots of places don't have them abroad. And a little cute desk lamp. This is on our balcony here, which I think is so cozy. So I completely forgot to film the outro of this video, but I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!